Watch how we process messy Amazon data with Badbank to create clean, usable data and upload the transactions into QuickBooks. As the four-step process on Badbank's website describes, after receiving the large, confusing CSV file from Amazon, the first step is to simplify the data by keeping only the 3 columns I need: order date, total owed, and product name. The second step is to add header information to the CSV file: a title and account number, a beginning date, an ending date, a beginning balance of $0, and an ending balance. For the ending balance, I use the sum of the total owed amounts. That way, Badbank's AI will know when all the transactions are accounted for. Step 3 is to create a PDF by saving the worksheet as a PDF file type, making sure to select Sheet instead of Workbook. The final step is to upload the new PDF file into Badbank so that the AI can clean up the transaction data and create usable files, like QBO files with that data. If I open up the top-level CSV file from the new output folder, I can see that Badbank's AI has done just that. Clean, readable, consistent names have been extracted from the messy Amazon data, and everything is neatly organized and accounted for. I can sort or pivot this data, send it to my tax preparer or CPA, or I can import it into any accounting system. I can use the QBO file that Badbank has created to import these transactions into QuickBooks. Your CPA may have another method for allocating these newly found expense details, but one way to do it is by setting up an Amazon clearing account, which is a current liabilities account, a credit card account to be specific. With a clearing account, you can import all the detailed transactions and distribute them to more specific expense accounts from there. Either way, you have newly found details that can improve your deductions come tax time. Get started saving time and money today with Badbank AI.